Hello and welcome back to NewsRecap, your trusted source for the latest and most relevant news stories. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Now, let's get into today's story. Today, we're discussing a recent alert issued by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, regarding an unexpected outbreak of malaria within the United States. This is a significant development, as the U.S. typically sees malaria cases in travelers or immigrants from regions where the disease is more common. The CDC reported 5 locally contracted cases of malaria in the U.S., a rare occurrence that has prompted the health agency to issue an alert. The cases were identified in the state of Florida, specifically in Palm Beach County. Malaria is a serious and sometimes fatal disease caused by a parasite that commonly infects a certain type of mosquito that feeds on humans. Symptoms of malaria include fever, chills, and flu-like illness. The CDC is working closely with Florida's Department of Health to investigate these cases and to implement mosquito control measures. They are also urging healthcare providers to consider malaria in their differential diagnosis for patients with fever and a history of travel to Palm Beach County. It's important to note that malaria was eradicated from the U.S. in the early 1950s, but the country still sees about 2,000 cases a year, mostly in travelers returning from countries where malaria is prevalent. The CDC's alert is a reminder of the importance of maintaining robust public health and disease surveillance systems, even for diseases not commonly seen in the country. That's all for today's recap. Remember, staying informed is the first step to staying safe. For more news updates, subscribe to NewsRecap and hit the bell icon for notifications. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.